HoneyBadger Welding. Now I'm talking to myself. Greg Cool, climbing a 132-foot water tank. Just so we can fix a railing up there. HoneyBadger Welding at its finest. I will be back shortly. We will be back for the next part. I just want to make sure everything's cool with him. So please stay tuned. Next time we join in, he will be up atop. Up atop. Up at the top. Okay, we join back in as Greg Cool is making it through the top. You okay? Going through the top of the tower. A little platform. 132 feet up. He's already made it to the top. Now he's taking a break. There he goes, stepping out onto the platform. Getting ready to drop the rope down, so I'm gonna have to pause for a minute. Well, we will have to get back to you guys later on, because we just pulled our bucket of tools up and everything's good so far. I don't know what the hell's going on up there. All I know is that we have Greg Cool on the job, so we're in good hands. And with that, HoneyBadger Welding is signing off till later. Adios, amigos. AMF.